folks, this is original paint on this little Nova Rally. Sounds great, very reliable. Just came in on a 100-mile road trip. .350 engine, automatic trans, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Underneath, very clean, very solid. Remember, it's all original on the exterior. Weather stripping has been replaced. Interior looks good. Tilt wheel showing 77,000 miles. Upgraded radio. There you go. See how it sounds. Give a call or a text, 847-848-1850. We have over 140 cars ready to go on our website, so check us out. Once again, mgmclassiccars.com. Call or text, 847-848-1850.